Yo, what's going on, guys? Raphael Gaming here. Today, I have here with Awesome Realm. I don't know who is the owner, guys. Anyway, this is awesome, guys. The pixels. Oh my gosh. It's Shaggy in Scooby Doo. And I have Top Red Bunny, aka my friend. Say hi. So guys, donate to Cobb Red Bunny because he is awesome. Okay guys. Look at this top. Look at this realm. It's so insane. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful, guys. Yeah. Add this. Add Cobb Red Bunny. Heh. It's awesome, guys, right? Awesome, right? Look at this. And by the way, is selling that for 32K, but it's not real. Nice, nice man. Okay, Cobb Red Bunny is giving me a stuff like noob, which is which is awesome, guys. Oh, there have a hola play school of chaos. Wow. Oh, I'm sorry for the Tagalog because I live in Philippines, guys. I don't know who is the owner. Okay, guys, not Cobb Red Bunny, the owner. You don't have no permission here, like me. See, you don't have permission. Sorry for the cringe again and again and again. Oh, what's that? Did you see that, guys? Wait, that's weird. Oh my gosh, up there, I saw something there. Wait. We need to TP to Cobb Red Bunny and let's see if we can join at up. Wait, Cobb Red Bunny. Too many friends. Too many friends. Oh, there we go, guys. Oh my gosh. Scooby Doo. Oh my gosh. Shaggy by Drag. Oh, the owner is Dragon. Wow, nice. Top Master Builder. Let's delete to like let's see. Nice. Let's see this. Random magical. Oh, okay. Pretty cool lobby, huh? Oh, the hat. Oh my gosh. Oh, so let's go to Cabred. Yep, he's right. Subscribe to me. Huh, that's weird, guys. Oh, okay, let's TP. Oh, here we go, guys. This is the first realm. Let's TP again. He left again. Donate to Cabred Money. And I'm sorry to my voice. Oh, to my voice. Okay, guys. Mm, I have a new outfit, guys. See this? This is sub vampire outfit. I made this like 15 minutes. Wow, nice. That's so fast. Want me to play Happy Wheels? comment below, and I will do. Whoa, what really? Okay, whoa. Made by Cobred Bunny. Oh, nice. Safety. Whoa. Lol. I'm recording, guys. Oh, I'm sorry. Guys, I'm using to record is Mobizen, as you can see this. Uh, oh, okay. He said wait. Oh, I have these pictures like this. That's for Easter egg set. Okay, guys. Hmm. Monthly shirt, 18K. I only have 10K. Anyway, guys, I don't like scammers. And all noobs I help I help I'm sorry. I help all the noobs, guys. I giving them by stuff like rare like wait. Like Roman hat, round glasses, like this. I have more of these. Last time I helped people. His name is forgot, guys. I fix her realm and like this realm. Oh, there we go. You join again. Hi. Back. Back to you. Oh, awesome waffle. Hi there. What's this? Safety first. Don't get eaten by shark. Where's the shark? What? So we're sorry for the Filipino bad words. It's like, I don't want to say it, guys. Let's. Oh, maybe. Wait. Waffle. I love waffle, guys. It's so yummy. Oh, the Tagalog. Cub Red Bunny. Tagalog. He said, sige. I'm sorry about that. Sige means yes, guys, by the way. If you don't know how to Tagalog, I will teach you in next video. So guys, donate some C right here for more giveaways and any. I got this awesome, guys. Oh, let's design it, guys. I don't. Oh, there we go. Let's design it. Emerald. I love emerald a lot. Okay, he said, let's PvP. Okay, wait. Let's fix this. Let's fight. Sure, why not? Sure. But I don't have a wand, which is bad. Oh, but oh, but oh, sorry about that. I don't have a wand. Lag chat. But I don't have a wand. Um. Oh my gosh, there are too many peoples. They have three. I mean four. One, two, three, four. Um. Hmm. Sorry for Tagalog. Lol. Sorry guys, I will end this video right now. Make sure drop a like, subscribe, and like and comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to Mason. And anyways, bye bye.